Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Alhamdulillahirrabbilalamin. Assalatu wassalamu ala asrofil anbiya'i wal mursalin wa ala alihi wa sahbihi ajma'in, amma ba'du. We from group 3 will read a summary for the final assessment of an English course entitled The Preamble in Constitutional Interpretation. We will immediately discuss it according to the text we compiled. From Plato's law through common law and until modern legal system, preambles to constitutions have played an important role in law and policy making. Preamble remain the most neglected section in American constitutional theory. Macedonia, Israel, Australia, and the Treaty of Lisbon. The article discusses the sociological function of preamble in top-down and bottom-up constitutional design. Number 1. Introduction. The preamble to the United States Constitution has become a legal document. The press, we the people of the United States, and the remaining 45 words of the preamble are the most well-known part of the Constitution and the section that has had the greatest effect on the Constitution of other countries. Preamble, which generally does not enjoy binding legal status, remains the exception rather than the rule. A preamble is the part of the Constitution that best reflects the constitutional understanding of the framers. What Carl Schmitt calls the fundamental political discussion. In this term, thus have far-reaching social effect. The article illustrates the potential of consensual preamble to unite, or a disputable preamble to divide a people. It emphasizes the sociological reason why it is necessary to carefully consider what is written in the text of the preamble, in particular in those cases in which the preamble is granted binding legal force. Section 1 explains the concept of preamble based on qualitative research of the preambles in 50 common law and civil law countries. Section 4 demonstrates the importance of consensual preambles, sketches the risks inherent in non-consensual preambles, and describe the benefits and disadvantages in the process of deciding a preamble. Focusing on Macedonia, Israel, Australia, and Treaty of Lisbon, the article examines the social function of preamble in top-down and bottom-up design and suggests some reason for a future design of preamble. Number 2. How to talk about preambles. What is preamble to a constitution and how can it be classified? In formal terms, a preamble constitutes the introduction to the Constitution and usually bears the formal heading preamble or some alternative equivalent title, while in other cases it appears without a heading. The formal classification provides a simple and technical identification of a preamble. Alongside a formal classification, it is possible to identify a preamble through its content. In substantive terms, a preamble does not require a specific location in the Constitution but rather specific content. It presents the history behind the Constitution's enactment as well as the nation's core principles and values. 7. A preamble is thus a common constitutional feature. Moreover, most of the countries that have adopted a constitution in recent years, particularly in Eastern and Central Europe, have included a preamble. The content of preamble can be classified into 5 categories. Most preambles specify the course of sovereignty. This terminology emphasizes a specific national group and is less neutral. Some preambles combine a reference to the people. The South African preamble, for example, declares that the people of South Africa recognize the injustice of our past. In honor those who suffered for justice and freedom in our land. The preamble to the Chinese Constitution notes that China is one of the countries with the longest histories in the world and detail at great length China's history and the nation's achievement. The Turkish preamble mentions that the Turkish constitution is established in line with the concept of nationalism outlined and the reforms and principles introduced by the Republic's founder Ataturk. Supreme goals. Preamble often outline associated fundamental goals. These goals tend to be abstract ideas such as happiness or well-being. The preamble to the Constitution of Japan, for instance, is peace loving, while the preamble to the Constitution of the Philippines and of Turkey stress love. Preamble usually contains statements about the national creed, understanding the constitutional faith of each country, and its constitutional philosophy cannot be covered without reading its preambles. Frequently, preamble include an additional element about future aspiration and might include a commitment to resolve disputes by peaceful means, to abide by the principles of the UN Charter, or to further national aspiration as stated in a Declaration of Independence. A preamble might include reference to God. Some preamble emphasizes God's supremacy, such as the preamble to the Canadian Charter or the Swiss Constitution. While common characteristics can be identified, each preamble has its own distinguishing features. Preamble come in various lengths, harmonize with or contradict the body of the Constitution, and might be enacted together with the body of the Constitution as well as in a later constitutional moment.
Next, read the American Preamble. Constitution its preamble. It is therefore particularly interesting to trace its origin and legal status. The current preamble is different from the original interpreted in 1787 at the Philadelphia Convention. The framers of the American Constitution were well aware of other forms of preambles, or have rejected repeatedly the argument that constitutional rights or limits can be inferred directly from the preamble. In this case, a convict defendant can challenge the constitutionality of a statute adopted by the state of Massachusetts that is his view contract protected by the preamble. That the preamble has less significance than other constitutional provisions, nor did he assert that it does not form a binding part of the Constitution. Yet evidence suggests that the framers anticipated the role the preamble would play in constitutional interpretation. Joseph Story argued that the preamble is a key to open the mind of the makers as to the motive which are to be remedied and the object which are to be accomplished. James Monroe similarly that the preamble is the key of the Constitution. The general themes are pressed as in the introductory proposition said were never meant to be inserted in the laws from in the text of the Constitution. Courts have invoked the preamble in Constitution interpretation, although the references are inconsistent, rhetorical, and far from conferring independent constitutional rights, they still profit the preamble with some constitutional weight. It is regrettable that law professors rarely text and that courts rarely get the preamble sent for revision, not as it is the single most important part of the Constitution. For revision, the preamble is the equivalent of our creedal summary of America is civil religion. For Mark Twain, the Constitution of the United States is anchored in the principle of the Declaration of Independence and the preamble. While the preamble is written in a manner that appeals to many, it remains difficult to prejudice of its superficial legal status. Although Justice Harlan stripped the preamble of its legal force, its occasional use in constitutional adjunction indicates that while it is not an independent source of right, neither is it constitutionally irrelevant for integrative and the legal status of preambles. The preamble has several functions. To begin with, it has an educational purpose. It is one of the most significant sections of the Constitution that is mentioned in educational and public arenas. Unlike the Constitution, usually a very long document including complex provisions, the preamble is relatively short and is written in a more accessible language. Next, the preamble has an explanatory purpose. It serves to specify the reason for the Constitution. Admin is reasoned an eternal ideal. In addition, the preamble has a formative purpose. It constitutes a political rush for the consolidation of national identity and serves a national calling card. The preamble has a legal purpose as well. The selection suggests a three-part typology of preamble: a ceremonial preamble, an interpretive preamble, and a substantive preamble.
Okay, I will continue. 5. Integrative and disintegrative power of preambles. The preambles These bridges are no longer political morality or urban historical stance. Contohnya Israel, Austria, and the EU. Number 6. Conclusion. Students at American Law School wrote provoking the people. A growing number of countries have legalized the language of the people. The people's rights and the prince have become more and more legally enforceable. Right, the lawyers can bring to court, and yet rivers are not simple legal provisions like the other provision of the Constitution. This was also the case with the problem to the German. Suffering from the Nazi nightmare, was able to proclaim its attainment to a new Europe. In this moment, people enjoy popular cons. Thank you your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.